Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Kentucky, United States. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of Cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for investors living in Kentucky, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% kickback commission link and codes. Now, this is our website, Cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all informations about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. How to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, videos and articles. Yes, firstly, we should go this page, list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page, we can find informations about all cryptocurrencies, best cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Chainlink, Litecoin, Binance Coin, Tezos, and others. So easy. Now, firstly, we need information about Bitcoin. We can push this info button. In this page, we can get all information about Bitcoin. So easy. Now, how to buy Bitcoin in Kentucky? Just one click. Get BTC button. Let's go.